Hello everyone, in this video we will wrap the load area of the rear bumper. First you need to prepare the surface, clay bar and degrease. Before wrapping we will wet the load area with soapy water and remove dust. Next we moisten it with soapy water again. Also we wet with soapy water the film itself and start applying it. The load area of the bumper has two planes, vertical and horizontal, and the rounded surface between them. In order to wrap both planes, we will anchor one end of the film and while gently pulling the film, we'll fix it on the other end. This way, the film will cover all the planes without wrinkles. Now we'll wipe the film dry and mark it with a masking tape in order to trim the edges as evenly as possible. After final trimming, the wrapping of the load area is complete.